everybody? Welcome to the Beat Majors channel. It's Young Heat. I'm here with my bro.
Hey, since '94 though, it's a glorious day.
It's definitely a glorious day. I'm just shooting this from my phone because we on our way. I copped up the Roland SP-404 and I'm going to pick it up. So I just wanted to shoot like a little vlog style video as like, I guess like an unboxing kind of video. I know a lot of people will do it as soon as they get it and they about to open the box up, but I'm gonna do it my journey of leaving my crib to go picking it up from where I gotta grab it from, and then when we get back to my house, go in the studio, open it up, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like as I'm opening the box. So we about to make this trip to Guitar Center. I'll get back with y'all.
The Beat Majors.
We back, y'all. What's poppin'? We scooped it up, you know what I'm saying? As y'all saw, we was in the stove picking it up. Went and grabbed this, the Roland SP-404. It's the unboxing of the Roland SP-404. It's my first time ever having one. I always wanted one. Ever since I saw Mad Lib with the 303. So I'm gonna just unbox this plug, man. Of course, we got some registration tickets. The manual that nobody reads, you know. We don't read manuals, so I kind of try to learn shit. We got YouTube now. Power cable. It's a straight little power cable, a little up to date, you know. And then, telling me some type of way to remove the card cover. I'll figure that out later. Hopefully I don't have to buy a card, but I probably will. And there she is, the Roland SP-404. Power switch back here. It's got RCA ins and RCA outs. It's got a MIDI spot. And you got the 12 pads. I've never touched one in real life. I've touched the 303, but I've never touched the 404. And this is the SP-404A. They got the SX, they got the regular SP-404. But this one here is gonna be my baby, man. It's got a, you can use a battery, you can use batteries in it. I think it's 8 or 6 AA's. Might cop me a little battery rechargeable pack or something, throw in there. But yeah, it's the 404. I'm gonna get to work, man. I really like how it feels. Definitely feels good. Knobs feel real good. I can't wait to put this to use though. I've been like really wanting one for a long time. But y'all gonna see this in the future videos for sure, for sure. So that's the unboxing of the 404. I like it. I love it. I love the way it feels. Thank you, Roland. I'm gonna put this mug to use. So I'm gonna get her hooked up. And like I said, in future videos, y'all gonna see me working with this. Start creating some sample packs with this, some loop packs, some drum kits. Got the machine on the way. Y'all gonna see the unboxing for the machine, but it's all about the 404 today. So until next time, y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell button right after. I'll holla. Peace.